It's going to fall. No! Okay, I put way too much mascarpone inside, so it's going to fall. No, no. Okay, I can show you. Love it. Okay, maybe I should enjoy it now because it's going to fall. Okay, give you some tips. Don't add too much mascarpone inside. It's a collapse. Oh no. It doesn't look well like this. But I'm sure it will be super delicious. Hope you like this recipe, and remember, don't put too much mascarpone inside. I also made another Christmas version. Are you as excited as me for Christmas? Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more recipes. See you in the next video. Bye!